Sometimes you have many forms and it is hard to recognize which form you're currently inside, or you need to make a flexible code. Instead of writing the form of the current one with full name, you could actually use the command name me. Allow me to bring first form and double click. Instead of say userform1.hide, actually I could type me, which mean any current active form it is, dot, and I say hide. Because I'm inside of the form 1, me here mean form 1. And if I go second form, double click, and this one too, instead of user form 2, I say me, is mean current active form, which in this case it is user form 2, gonna hide. And it will get exactly same result. Next, previous. As you see, it has worked fine. And another tip is showing actually load the form, but hide does not mean the form it is unloaded. What do I mean? I mean any values inside of that will kept in the temporary RAM memory. Allow me to create a text box. And let's run the program by pressing F5 again. I say test, next, previous one. And as you see, the test remained here. But if you actually want to unload the form, so instead of hiding, we could say unload me. You don't need to type a parenthesis. If you add, you will see the error. So unload me. Now, if I run the code again and type some string here like test and next and set previous, now there is no previous data here. Actually, everything has been resetted. And while it was unloading, the RAM memory get freed up and removed every temporary informations there. So keep in mind, hiding does not mean unloading. I could do that again for this. And it is very important for performance and optimization of your code and keep freed up the memory, especially if you have very large codes and many elements inside of your form. So unload me, very simple. Previous, test, next, and previous. And close it.